Hello friends, look at the diagram of the ear and different parts of the ear. Ear consists of three parts: external ear, middle ear and internal ear. The external visible part of the ear is known as the pinna. Actually, in this diagram the pinna has not been mentioned. Pinna is a flap kind of a structure, and generally pinna is been crumpled and made up of cartilage. Cartilage are a kind of a bone, but which is not as strong as a bone. Pinna has cereminous and sebaceous glands in it in order to produce wax and oil, so that it should keep the ear canal lubricated in order to prevent the dust and other particles from entering into the ear canal. The second part is the ear canal. Ear canal is also known as the auditory canal or auditory meatus. It is present in the ear in a form of a canal kind of a structure. At the end of the ear canal you can find the eardrum, which is also known as tympanum. The eardrum is located between the external ear and the middle ear. It is generally in the form of a cone. Now we will discuss about the middle ear. Middle ear consists of three bones, which is malleus, incus and stapes. Middle ear plays an important role in amplifying the vibrations received on the tympanum membrane. Tympanum is nothing but the eardrum. Generally, when any sound hits the eardrum vibrates, and these vibrations are being amplified, means which are being increased by the middle ear bones, which are malleus, incus and stapes. In this diagram you can identify the three bones clearly. The stapes has an oval window in it, which is being connected to the internal ear or the inner ear. Inner ear consists of bony labyrinth in it, and this labyrinth membrane consists of vestibule, three semicircular canals and cochlea. These three forms the inner ear. The first part is the vestibule, and the semicircular canals you can found it in the top, and cochlear is like a circle in it. The image cochleae is being formed as a circle in it, which is spiral in shape. Both the vestibule and semicircular canals along with the cochleae forms the cochlear nerve and the vestibular nerve. Any kind of a vibration which is transferred from the middle ear to this part of the ear, the inner ear, is being transferred to the brain with the help of the auditory nerve. Auditory nerve is a combination of cochlear nerve and vestibular nerve.